whilst the results delivered were not stellar, they're very solid. The board is very comfortable, management very comfortable, especially when you take into account the challenges we faced. The strike action in the latter half of our first half, that's in September last year, we lost 10 million rand there. The increasing price of diesel, overall increasing costs, strip ratio, mine cost of coal. I think management did really well to achieve the 7%. Over and above that, I think we must really focus on the cash flow effect of the mining operation and the trading operation. We generated strong cash flow. We had 21 million free cash at the end of the period, but you must take into account that during the year we invested 40 million in new projects, which is the underground operation and the Ntubani mining operation. At our last results presentation, I had a lot of questions about where we're going to find the funding for Ntubani, etc., etc. And I said at that stage, we have the funding, and we knew the funding was going to come from our cash flow. So I think that's a very, very strong performance, having invested the 40 million. And of especial pleasing to us is the declaration of a dividend. Well, it's a conservative dividend, covered it 4 times, but it shows our commitment to shareholder returns, and it shows that the executive management and the board are very comfortable with the cash flow projections going forward. We've opened Ntubani, the profitability is there, we're looking at Elandspruit early next year. So overall, we are really looking forward to a wonderful time to March 2014. We had a poor second half. It was disappointing in the trading division. We have been looking for a number of months at that. We've increased competition, no critical mass. There's new entrants into the market. Every man and his dog thinks he can trade coal. So we've looked at that very, very carefully, and we've done an acquisition with a third-party trader, which is national, very much the same footprint as our trading division. And we've concluded this transaction. We have 2 issues outstanding as Competition Commission and funding. But should that be concluded, and if you look back at our September results last year, that increased our headline earnings per share by 54% if it had been included. Annualized, the 2 trading divisions together will generate R1 billion in turnover. Now, R1 billion in turnover, if you move your margin by 1%, you can do the sums of what it's going to add to your bottom line. So we're very excited about that, and whilst it's not complete, we're projecting to be complete by the 1st of October, we're really going to focus on getting that transaction unconditional.